Hello, Year 4. This is a poem called Winter Morning that I want you to have a listen to, and then I'll explain the task for today, which is based on this kind of poem. So when you're listening, think about which poetic techniques, features you can hear, you can see. So I'll read it while you're thinking about that. So, Winter Morning. Winter is the king of showmen, turning tree stumps into snowmen, and houses into birthday cakes, and spreading sugar over the lakes. Smooth and clean and frost white, the world looks good enough to bite. That's the season to be young, catching snowflakes on your tongue. Snow is snowy when it's snowing. I'm sorry it's slushy when it's going. Okay, so if we look at the features here, the one that stands out probably the most, to me at least, and the one that we are focusing on today is the rhyming couplets. So each two lines together are rhyming, and you can see there showman, snowman, cakes, lakes, white bites, young and tongue kind of doesn't quite fit exactly, but snowing and going does. But as well as that being the main feature, there's also a couple of more things we've got. It's quite metaphorical. Spreading sugar over the lakes is about snow. It's not about someone taking a bag of sugar and pouring it onto the lakes because that would be strange. Um, so it's metaphorical. There's alliteration. We've got turning tree, spreading sugar, and snow is snowy. Sorry, it's slushy. And also, I think alliteration with the letter S, it has quite a strong effect because the letter S is very smooth. It rolls nicely from the tongue, spreading sugar. I think when you hear this sound repeating, it has a unique kind of effect even within alliteration. So this is the poem that we're basing our work on, and then our task today is to create a poem using the same style of rhyming couplets. Now we have done this in a class together not so long ago, so you have had some relatively recent practice. I want you to choose one of these topics. So you've got either a summer afternoon, a wet morning, or a special occasion such as a birthday. Now on here it says, or an idea of your own, but I've changed my mind about that. So I want you to ignore where it says an idea of your own because I want you to use one of these. It might be a good idea to think of some rhymes either just in your head or you could make a list before you start writing the poem. So that's your task for today, to write your own poem using the rhyming couplets in the same way as the winter morning poem, and your poem should follow a similar theme, either about a summer afternoon or wet morning or a special occasion. Okay, so that's the task. Let me know if you have any questions later.